Hi there, here I am with another Mary moment. Last video, we talked about the first point, the first primary reason why there are some people that just don't understand our Blessed Mother Mary. That point was that sometimes we put her on too high of a pedestal. We see her as unrelatable because we think that she's too holy or too perfect for us to understand or relate to. The second primary reason is because, and this is I notice fairly widespread, and I do hear this from a number of our non-Catholic brothers and sisters, that somehow if we honor Mary, it offends our Lord Jesus Christ. How could that possibly be? Think about our Lord hanging on the cross. As he's nearing death, what does he do? He turns to St. John, the beloved apostle. He turns to him and he says, "Son, behold your mother." And then he turns to the Blessed Mother, his mother, and he says, "Woman, behold your son." At that moment, our Lord is entrusting the Blessed Mother to St. John's care. And he's also entrusting St. John to the Blessed Mother's care. This is his dying wish. Before he bowed his head and said, "It is finished," he was sure to do this. Now, on the surface, sure, it looks like a son's dying request that someone take care of his mother after he goes. That's perfectly acceptable. But think about our Lord and who he was and what he knew. He never did anything unintentionally. He never did anything that didn't have deep and lasting meaning. And so in our Catholic faith, we believe that at that moment, when Jesus entrusted John to Mary and Mary to John, St. John stood in the place of all human beings for all time. You, me, the people we love, even the people we don't love so much. Our belief is that St. John represented all of God's children. And therefore, our Blessed Mother was asked to care for all of God's children, all of us. And in turn, we're asked to care for her. Maybe not in the same physical way that St. John was able to, but in a spiritual way, to see her tenderly as our mother and live that way, appreciate her as our mother. How could that offend Jesus? He's the one who said it on the cross. "Son, behold your mother. Mother, behold your son." Those are Jesus's words. That was his wish. Perhaps offer a prayer to St. John and ask him to help you understand how to stand in his place and to make the Blessed Mother accept her as you are truly your mother and to become truly her child. I'm glad to share these few minutes with you. I'm glad to have been able to talk about the Blessed Mother in another Mary moment. Please follow me. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know your questions about the Blessed Mother. You can follow me on Facebook. You can follow me on Twitter. Please take a look at my website, www.margefenelon.com, and subscribe to my newsletter, Wednesday Wisdom. I'd love to have you on board. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.